know, spell-checker is a software tool that identifies and corrects any spelling mistakes in the text document, and designing a spell-checker for Punjabi language is a challenging task. Punjabi language can be written in two scripts, that is Gurmukhi and Shamukhi. Gurmukhi based on Devanagari, a left-to-right script used in India, and Shamukhi, a Perso-Arabic script, a right-to-left script used in Pakistan. Shamukhi script follows one sound, multiple symbol approach, and that's why it's very tedious task to design the spell-checker for the Shamukhi language. In Shamukhi, diacritics are optional, so we have to design the spell-checker in such a way that it will spell-check with and without diacritic mark compulsion. The main steps performed by the spell-checker is the text is inputted to the spell-checker, then spell-checker pre-processes the